gap in a setup. You can see this is basically a common setup that you would find in any bathroom, and today I will be demonstrating to you how to fill a gap using our acrylic sealant. So I will be showing you today with the multi-purpose wipe. So you can see that I've already loaded the cartridge along with the nozzle, and as you can see there are some gaps here. So I'll basically be putting sealants inside this gap. So one should not worry that some sealant is coming out of the gap, because we will be eventually tooling it and we will be finishing everything off. So you can see one gap is done over here, and now I will go ahead and put and deposit the second gap. Another best practice sometimes that you can follow is you can put the surrounding areas with masking tape in order to ensure that not much spillage will happen. So now the application of the sealant is complete. The next point would be whenever you fill up the gap, it has to be smoothened. The sealant bead basically has to be smoothened. So as you can see in the video, this is a tooling device. So the tooling device consists of three parts. One is 5, 8, 90 degrees. So basically this corresponds to the depth of the gap that you are filling. So this is 5 mm, 8 mm and 90 degrees. So if you are not happy with the sealant bead that you have filled, you can basically take out the entire sealant bead without causing any wastage. So I will be demonstrating to you how you would apply a normal sealant or how to tool a normal sealant bead. So as you can see, you should keep it very close and then move it in this way. So you can see here, as I move my tool, I start to get a very smooth bead finish. And now that once is done, this is done, I can move on to the other side. So I will do something very similar. Keep your hand firm and smooth, and you can just smoothen. Whatever excess sealant is there, it will already be taken care of by the tooling device as well. So you can see here, if you come close to this bead, it has perfectly been formed and filled, and this will remain for the entirety of this. So whatever blob you're seeing here, this is extra sealant. You can see here also, the bead has been perfectly filled. So whatever extra sealant has come out, you can just clearly wipe off. So this is basically how you fill an acrylic sealant into a bathroom based setup. And for any further videos and further, we will be coming up with more advanced techniques. One more thing I would also like to point out is, not everyone would have this tooling device. So sometimes you would have to apply it even with the hand, or he would need to use a small tooling finger, or he can use his finger to smoothen the bead. Although that will not give you a very perfect finish, but still it is usable. But what Pidilite and what we recommend is, a tool is always recommended for application, for removal, and for smoothening as well. Thank you.